Hey guys, what's up? It is Friday, May 24th. It's about 9:30 a.m. My husband and I are getting ready to go on an all-day ride with some of his family, or our family. So like his cousin, mom and dad. We might meet up with a few people on one of the routes we're taking today. But I just thought this would be a really fun time to film our trip today and bring you guys along for like what an all-day ride consists of and what we like to do. Here's the bike. Ooh, see if I can get a good angle. There she is. So anyway, yeah, I thought this would be fun. So keep watching if you want to see our all-day adventure. Bye guys. Okay guys, we're on the Kentucky Scenic Byway, and we saw this overlook. It's called Cliffside Overlook, I think, and we decided to stop because this is on the Strippers Run. I think I just said that, but again, we're on the Kentucky Scenic Byway. We're just riding through Kentucky a little bit, making our loop around. And how beautiful is this? Yeah, this is definitely something you need to come see in person. But look how beautiful. Love it. All right, guys, we are back. It is about 6:15, and we left about like 9:45, I would say, this morning. So we put in a good 8.5 hour day. We live in the Tri-Cities, Tennessee, which is basically northeast Tennessee, and we did a couple of the runs in this little pamphlet. It's called Appalachian Back Roads. And so the 2 runs that we did today were called Skullcracker was the first one we did, and then Strippers Run was the second one. And so basically we drove to Gate City and did the Skullcracker run, and then from Gate City we rode over to Wise, Virginia, and we did the Strippers Run, which went through the Kentucky Scenic Byway, which was really pretty, and then we ended up back in Wise, and then drove home from there. But I have my husband here too. What was your favorite part of today?
Probably the Kentucky. I think it's the Kentucky.
The scenic byway.
Yeah, byway. It was really good. Cool stop there.
Cool stop.
Pretty awesome. Couldn't have asked for better weather. It was hot.
Yeah, we got a little crispy, but
all in all, really good day.
Yeah. So if you guys are interested, I've got a few of these pamphlets left. If you want me to send you one, just let me know. And I think we want to do a couple more of these runs, so let us know.
Pamphlet.
Yeah, we're gonna do the whole thing.
Whole pamphlet, 2019.
Oh God.
Whole pamphlet.
I don't know about that. All right. Well, okay. I'm gonna sign out now, and yeah, we will get back in touch with you guys later.
Like it's smoking hot.
Bye.